So I'm gonna start to go through the final project. I have this video that I'm gonna run through, which is from last term, but I'm changing the final project a little bit. So let me go through and run the video and kind of stop it at the parts where the project's going to be a little different because the class is condensed into 6 weeks versus 16 weeks. So here we go.
So the idea is it's an integrated campaign where I want you to think about branding and having consistent branding for this type of campaign. And the theme of the campaign is going to be called Most Wanted.
So I'm going to stop right here just to add more information to this. So the campaign is going to have a name. That name is Most Wanted. And the campaign is going to have four pieces of collateral. And it's going to be laid out in an artboard for you already. And for those 4 pieces of collateral, you're going to be using the logo that you're developing now in parts 1 and 2. So this campaign is for this logo, for this fictitious brand that you're developing. And the idea is you're going to pick the main focus of that company and use that in this campaign. So Most Wanted is going to be the main header that goes across every single item using the font that you picked for the brand, for your company, and the item that's most wanted is going to be relevant to your company. So if you create an ice cream company, then it's the most wanted ice cream flavor. Or if you created like a boba tea company, it's the most wanted boba tea. So that's how you're going to focus the campaign. It's going to be on an item that your company produces, or something that your company or organization or whatever the logo is for is doing. So if you're a charity, it could be most wanted, helping children. Most if you're any type of organization, you got to figure out what is the thing that you're trying to sell to your audience. Okay, so I'm going to hit play again and keep on going.
So I want you to decide upon what that most wanted object is. It can be anything. Like, you can have fun with this, and it can be some sort of most wanted poster for like an alien fugitive, or maybe it's something that you actually want in your life, like you want like a pizza or something, or you want to go to the beach, like most wanted, a day at the beach.
So for this part, you can so your logo is going to be what you're already designing. It's whatever that logo is, that's the centerpiece of the design. So whatever you're designing now for your parts 1 and 2 of assignment 5, that's the logo that this is referring to.
And a logo that's the focus of the campaign. So something that's going to be used throughout all these different pieces of collateral. So, when you do any type of campaign, let's say I used to do these campaigns for Disney, where it would be for like a new show on Disney, and there would be a poster, and there would be the banner for the website, and then there would be maybe some sort of like handout, let's say, for the event, but all the branding had to be consistent. And so the idea is thinking about the complete campaign itself and making all those elements consistent.
And I kind of abruptly stopped there, but you're trying to make all the elements in the campaign consistent throughout the campaign. So, okay. So, yes, and I'll have more information on this going forth. I just want to kind of throw this out there right now so you guys can start thinking about it, because you have about 10 days to fully flesh this out as you're creating the logos in the current assignment that you're working on now. So thank you very much.